Hi, today we will cover server session state design pattern. The server session state design pattern belongs to session state patterns, and the session state patterns belongs to patterns of enterprise application architecture. First, we will see the explanation of server session state design pattern. This is explanation. Keeps the session state on a server system in a serialized form. First, we will see what is session so that you will understand this point. So here you can see John, and John is the user. So he types URL, Yahoo URL in this browser, and once he enter, it will show username and password. So once he enter the username and password, it will log into the Yahoo server. So once John logged into the Yahoo server, for that John user, session will be created. This session is nothing but it is used to track information about the user. So it will have information like machine ID, from which machine ID he has logged in, and username, and plus additional information also we can save it in this session object. Okay, and once John logged in, this session will be created for John, and once John logged out, this session will be discarded. So this is about session. So we will see what is server session state design pattern. So as per server session state design pattern, uh, what we have to do is we have to save John session data in a server. So we can save it in the server uh, persistent storage, like D drive or C drive, or we can store that server object, that session data in a app server memory. Okay, as per this server session state design pattern, keeps the session state on a server system in a serialized form. So we have to save that session data information in the uh, persistent storage, like D drive or C drive. Okay, so what is the use of this one? So if you do that one, then we can use this in clustering and failover mechanism. Also, uh, John has entered into the Yahoo server. Okay, and John session is created, and once he logged out, session will be discarded. So before discard, save that John session in the app server memory. Okay, so that when he logged in again to that system the next time, we can take John information from the D drive or app server memory, and we can reuse it. We no need to formulate that session information again and again. Suppose the session information uh, has information from the DB, so we no need to hit the DB again. Okay, so this is about server session state pattern. We can use it in the clustering or failover mechanism. Now if you read, you will understand this one. Keeps the session state on a server system in a serialized form. So we are keeping the session information in a server system, D drive or app server memory, in a serialized form, and store data in globally shared object or persistent storage on the server. So we can keep this session data information in the persistent storage, like D drive or app server memory. That's what it is telling. And this is about server session state design pattern, and thanks for watching. Bye.